The demand for YouTube SEO experts is rising as more businesses and creators use YouTube to connect with target audiences. With effective YouTube SEO and promotion skills, there are robust opportunities to work in digital marketing, content creation, social media management, etc. Hi, greetings from FiberCrest Outsourcing. I am Stella, an AI service promoter. We are a digital marketing agency, online training and freelancing services provider in Dhaka, Bangladesh. In this video, I am going to introduce you our YouTube SEO and channel promotion course details as for whom the YouTube SEO and channel promotion course is designed. Course contents in brief, batch timing and course duration, how to get admission, discount and offers on FiberCrest courses, etc. So keep watching this video until the end. If you are interested in our YouTube SEO online course, recent discount and offers, especially for group admission, including minimum 5 persons in a group, you can avail up to 30% discount on most of our courses. To know details on our YouTube SEO and promotion course, batch timing, how to get admission, how to pay, etc., you can visit our website FiberCrest.com. No advanced skills are needed to start learning YouTube search engine optimization and promotion, but a basic understanding of YouTube search engine optimization principles and digital marketing is helpful. Strong analytical and creative skills are also beneficial for success in YouTube SEO and promotion. However, for beginners, all the pre-required skills is covered in our YouTube SEO course. So let's have a clear insight into the course details on YouTube SEO and promotion. In the top menu, go to About Us. Click on Portfolio. It will open up a page on our portfolio, courses and services by FiberCrest. Now, click on YT SEO. YouTube SEO and promotion course is available here. You can click here to see course details. So it is YouTube SEO and promotion, classic course. Batch timing for this online course appears here. Here is the course contents in brief. Total no of classes is mentioned here. You can check your batch timing here. For admission help, you can reach us on WhatsApp, mentioned in the website. To know about recent discount and offers on our courses, in menu select Home and Visit Discount page. Payment method for international students is available here. If you need any more information, you can contact our helpline and email. Before making any payment, please contact the WhatsApp number available here in this website for your transactional safety. YouTube search engine optimization and promotion involve optimizing video content to improve visibility on YouTube search results and increase engagement. Techniques include keyword optimization, effective titles, descriptions, tags, and promotional strategies to attract and retain viewers. Our worldwide online professional and freelancing courses also cover WordPress website design, digital marketing and SEO, social media marketing, and more. Learning YouTube search engine optimization and promotion helps creators and marketers maximize their content's reach, visibility, and impact. With these skills, you can grow audiences, improve video performance, and drive more traffic to videos and channels. To know about recent offers and discounts on FiberCrest courses, visit the link provided in the description below this video. Here in FiberCrest, we are always determined to satisfy your order utmost for its courses, digital marketing, and freelancing services worldwide. So, stay with us and enjoy our IT outsourcing courses and services. Thanks for watching.